Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to unbox a kit owl from Russian company MOSFA that I purchased from Polish website. Russian kit from Poland. And that's how the kit looks in this box. This is the box from this company. It's called Diamond Painting or MOSFA, and this is the design that I purchased. It is called Colorful Owl. So to say, Russian company MOSFA. If you follow my channel, I'm pretty sure you remember a few diamond painting kits that I completed from this company. This is one of them. This is the only one left, and I'm actually planning of giving it away. It is very small, 30 by 40 centimeters, 12 by 13 inches, 12 by 13. Look how amazingly detailed it looks. Look, it's gorgeous. I love how this company's designers render their kits. I diamond painted like 3 more, but I already gave them away, so unfortunately I cannot show it to you. But if you follow my channel, I'm pretty sure you saw it. And again, if you've watched my best diamond painting brands video that I uploaded maybe a month ago, it is an updated version. MOSFA is one of my best diamond painting brands because their final result is amazing. They have a team of artists that work on their kits. That's how it's gonna look once diamond painted. Now let's start with the canvas. As always, please do not be scared. The canvas is absolutely non-color related. Again, if you watched my video unboxing before of this very brand, you remember non-color related designs that turned out gorgeous, just like this very kit. It's called My Princess. The only website where I could find it was a Polish website that was called korikamo.com. I will leave the link in the description box below, but it looks like they are they are selling all their MOSFA kits, because last time when I logged in there were only 2 designs left. This one, Colorful Owl, and some other one. So I am very sad that they're running out of their kits and trying to sell the leftover kits. I purchased it for around maybe $11 or $13 plus shipping. That was very cheap, around $5 or $6, and it took around 10 days for this kit to arrive. So as you can see, this kit contains a lot of confetti. As I said, as I mentioned before, the size is 30 by 40 centimeters, which is very small, just like My Princess, the same size. And this kit contains around 37 colors. I manually counted, so I hope I counted correctly because they did not really enumerate the drills colors. So around 37 colors, and it has almost no color blocking, but lots of confetti. The symbols are printed pretty clear. As to the adhesive, it is a poured glue, but as to the canvas, it's one of the, well, so to say, disadvantages of this company. Their canvas is just a regular vinyl canvas, which is the least important criteria in my list on how I determine the best diamond painting kits. 5 criteria: very good faceted resin drills, fabric canvas, poured glue, licensed artist, and the most important for me, rendering. It should look super detailed. No pixelation at all, and MOSFA is one of the best brands that eliminate all the pixelation on their designs whatsoever. So even small kits like this turn out to be very detailed. So that's when it comes to the canvas. Nothing really to see. Now let's look at the drills. I actually consider MOSFA's drills to be one of the best square drills I have ever worked so far. Although they do still have a gapping issue, it's not that bad. Minimal gapping issue, but it still exists. But the drills themselves are very nice. They're very faceted. They sparkle a lot. And if we look at the colors in this very kit, they are amazing. Look like that's just a rainbow. If in this very kit that I unboxed a video ago, so to say, the colors are in the same shade, right? Orangey, yellow, green, brown, I would say. Here we have the whole range of rainbow colors. I think that in this kit every single color on earth is present, roughly speaking, of course. So now let's look at the drills more closely, and you can see that even in the plastic bags you can still see the sparkle. I'm not sure if I'm going to customize this kit because I don't know, these are square drills, not round, although I replaced square drills with round before, and round drills fit in perfectly, but I'm not sure. Again, since the designers hand-charged this kit, I wouldn't want to mess up the color blending. Beautiful colors, very beautiful, and unfortunately I cut one of the bags incorrectly, and I spilled the drill, so I put it just in a Ziploc bag. So that's how it looks. If you like this very design, I will leave the link in the description box below. Again, it's around like what, 12 bucks, 11, from 11 to 13 bucks. I don't remember how much exactly it was. I think it was 11 bucks, $6 shipping, and it is available on this Polish website, caricom.com. I'm not sure if actually this very kit is still available, but when I checked it yesterday, I could see it's in stock. But again, there are only 2 kits, unfortunately. Not 2 kits, 2 designs over there, nothing else. But maybe you will like the other design more. It's like the landscape of some night city. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.